Pet Morphle can morph into anything I want.
Ah, there's a crocodile in my apples! Oh, no! A shark!
You get the award for...
Let's water this beautiful garden of ours, Sparky. Wait a second. This isn't a garden hose. It's a... snake! We are now the Scary Animal Bandits. We steal scary animals and release them in the city.
But Stein, I thought we were...
Shh! Release the tiger!
Help! Oh, no! We need to help them, Morphle. Morphle?
Morphle no can help. Tiger scary.
The tiger is scary for me, too, Morphle. It is very dangerous. But you don't need to be afraid of the tiger because you can morph into something big. So the tiger is scared of you instead.
Yeah.
I know just what would scare a tiger. Look! A big T-Rex!
Morphle still scared.
Of course, but you should still do it, because if we do something a lot, you won't be scared anymore. Yay! Now let's scare all the other animals out of the city.
These scary animals are making sure everyone in the city stays inside so that we can execute our real plan.
Yeah, we are actually the Fruit Bandits.
An apple a day keeps the doctor away. So if we eat all the fruit in the city, we don't ever have to go to the doctor again.
Ooh, and the doctor is really scary. Ooh.
We need to stop them. Morph into a big crocodile.
A big, dangerous crocodile!
Bandits, you don't need to steal all that fruit. I used to be scared of the doctor, but I went anyway. And now I'm not scared of the doctor at all. Because if you do something a lot, you won't be scared anymore.
Really?
Hello, there you are. Please follow me inside. He is not scary at all, Stein.